Welcome to Iron Engine, your ultimate gateway to the world of heavy-duty machines and extreme transport. From daring maneuvers to unexpected challenges, get ready for an action-packed journey, real risks, through the most unforgettable moments. On the road. The sight of that homemade tractor hauling timber through the muddy road after the rain, it's something you don't forget. These machines show the strength and determination of the local people, where modern technology hasn't reached yet. The wheels spun deep in the mud, struggling under the heavy weight of the timber. Then, on the slippery slope, the tractor tipped over. But no one gave up. Everyone came together, unloading the logs one by one to help. That moment, full of effort and teamwork, shows the unity and strong spirit of the Vietnamese people. Tough times and brave hearts.
Anh em chủ xe. Video hay thì hãy cho mình một like và cho mình xin một đăng ký kênh nhá. Bye mọi người nhá.
In a snowy forest, the skidder LKT-81 Turbo is hard at work. With its Pharma C6.3 G2 crane from JPJ Forest, it pulls big logs through the snow, slow and steady. The cold is tough, but this machine is tougher. One by one, the logs come out, ready to be taken away. Strong, reliable, built for winter. The Who 6x4 dump truck was working hard, really hard. It was overloaded, and I felt two things, amazed and a little worried. It had incredible power, no doubt, but the weight was just too much. You could see it. The truck was struggling, pushing through like it was fighting back against the load. The Volvo, loaded with lumber, was stuck. Its wheels buried deep in the mud, every effort from the driver completely useless. Frustration set in, then despair. The truck wouldn't move not an inch, but then, out of nowhere, a powerful trailer arrived. It locked in, pulled with force, and slowly, the Volvo broke free. A rush of relief. And just like that, the nightmare was over. Huge forestry trucks slowly make their way through the rugged hills of Chile. With their heavy loads, the roads become treacherous, making it difficult to descend. Narrow, steep paths demand complete focus from the drivers, for even the smallest mistake can lead to a devastating accident.
Oh.
tractor, hauling an excavator up a dangerous curve on High Van Pass. Suddenly blew a tire, a split-second failure that turned the situation critical. The driver stayed calm and quickly eased off the throttle to maintain control. His timely, measured response prevented a dangerous situation from spiraling into disaster.
Wow, okay.
It's a powerful lesson in driving under wet conditions, a clear warning of the risks involved, reminding us to always slow down and be careful, and stay alert. While approaching a red light at high speed, the trailer suddenly brakes. One of the steel coils breaks free, slamming into the truck's cabin. A tense moment that could have ended very differently. Despite the dramatic impact, no injuries were reported. Bad weather left the express bus 200 stuck in the snow. But what happened next showed real teamwork. People came together, helped each other, and stayed calm. Even in tough conditions, their spirit stayed strong. It's a great example of how working together can overcome any challenge. Absolutely impressive. The driver handled the situation with calm and precision. As a truck slid dangerously close, the car slowed down just in time. No collision, no damage, just a great reminder that staying alert can make all the difference. Two cranes were lifting a massive concrete slab, part of a bridge renovation project in the Netherlands. Suddenly, both cranes collapsed, crashing down onto nearby buildings along a busy shopping street. Miraculously, no one was injured. A huge crane tipped over during demolition at the Jose Cabrera nuclear plant. It was lifting a heavy metal piece, but the weight was almost double what they expected. The crane flipped up, standing nearly vertical. Luckily, no one was hurt. Just a big scare, and a reminder to always double-check the numbers. Two nuclear cooling towers come down in a spectacular controlled demolition in Germany. The explosions happened early in the morning, kept quiet to avoid crowds during the pandemic. From the Philipsburg plant near Karlsruhe, the 150-meter towers crumble one by one. The reactors were shut down years ago, and soon, a renewable energy station will replace them. A powerful moment, marking the end of an era. An excavator takes down an old house at the corner of Woodmont Avenue and Edgemore Lane in Bethesda, Maryland. In its place, A new apartment building with 154 modern units is coming. Just one block from the subway station. It's all about smart, easy living in a great location. Change is happening, and it's full of promise. A crane removing a tree falls onto an Indiana home. This moment, truly shocking. A crane truck crashes into the house. It looks horrific. But thankfully, no one was injured. What a terrifying moment for the home. They were lucky. The house wasn't completely flattened. The Vermeer RTX 1250i2 is an advanced ride-on tractor designed for versatility and efficiency in utility installation across diverse terrains. Powered by a powerful 127 horsepower Deutz TCD 3.6-liter diesel engine, it excels in the toughest environments. Equipped with a trench sense control system and eco-idle engine management, it boosts productivity while minimizing downtime. With its modular design and i2 attachments, the RTX 1250 i2 allows quick, easy changes, giving you unmatched flexibility on the job. It also offers an optional remote control for ultimate convenience and Vermeer Fleet telematics for real-time performance tracking. Comfort is at the forefront with a smooth, quiet ride, intuitive controls, and an optional climate-controlled cab designed for all-weather operation. The Scania R590 V8 is built for serious heavy-duty work, and it's a top choice in Forestry Transport. With its strong V8 engine and 590 horsepower, this truck handles massive log loads across long distances and tough terrain. The cab is designed for comfort and control, helping drivers stay focused, even on long hauls through the forest. Its advanced suspension and braking systems make each trip safer and smoother, even when fully loaded. In the world of forestry, every load counts. The R590 V8 delivers strength, reliability, and fuel efficiency day after day. Whether it's hauling timber from remote mountain sites or navigating narrow forest roads, this truck gets the job done. Scania's power, built with purpose. A giant windmill blade was being transported along a narrow road, each fan arm stretching out like a strong steel wing. The engine roared in the background, echoing through the streets. You could feel the mix of raw power and precision, a blend of technology and human effort. Meanwhile, in the city of Belfort, another impressive move took place. A 390-ton turbine called Harriet was carefully guided through town. It passed through narrow streets and custom-made routes, all planned to the smallest detail. The massive 100-meter convoy turned heads and reminded everyone of what great teamwork and engineering can do. What did you think of these moments? We'd love to hear your thoughts. and any suggestions for improvement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.